So we're currently here buying one of my dream cars, apparently, and I have the guy helping me, man.
Trailer master.
Trailer master Chad.
It's all the way up. Good thing you ain't low, man. Good thing you ain't low.
Yeah, we got stock suspension.
Oh, fuck.
Is that one stuck?
I'm stuck. Step bro, help me. Damn it, step bro.
Alright, while he fiddles it down, I'm gonna show you the car. Literally, the 8th gen Civic. Literally, the 8th gen Civic. Literally. The Fa5 Civic. Literally my dream car, Honda, right here. One of them, at least. But yeah, we're done. Turn for the first time, Chad. Turn for the first time.
Turn?
Turn. Damn, we almost tucking right there, man. Do I gotta air up the rears a little? Alright. I brought the air pressure thing. I came prepared with the oil, and that's it.
The oil.
We have to double check the torque of the nuts in the back. Maybe move one to the back, because, you know, I think there's 4 on.
That bumper clear on this.
I think the bumper's messed up anyways.
So just let it ride.
Got the Bauer air inflator, literally. Look at that. What's that, guys? Literally. What is that? You know what that is, man. You know what that is.
I think we're ready.
Yeah. I go from a CB7 to this.
Yippee.
Yippee. All right, I'll start it recording again when we put it on. So apparently we got the things out.
It's out,
you know. There's a big hole right here, and I'm upon further inspection of the clutch. Literally, I mean the flywheel. Literally, you know, that shit got some. That is the heat spot. That is the shut. We got heat spots that look like the face of Jupiter. Shut. You know, got a lot of waviness to it. You can feel it. So
Looking like a lot of
waviness. And so literally, look at the pressure plate as well. Yeah. I don't think that looks too good. So yeah. But the clutch sticker did stay on, which I think is very key. And yeah. So we're waiting on the new clutch now. I got a stage 1.5 competition clutch and pressure plate.
What are you doing?
And then we gotta probably resurface this, right? I don't know. I don't think they can resurface that. That's really bad.
You can probably take it to them.
But like, y'all take this off?
If not, you have to order one.
I mean, feeling the thickness of it, I think they can cut it down flat. But I wonder if there's so much heat in this that it just warped.
Yeah.
Too. And that's why
You'll be able to read that too.
Yeah, and maybe that's why he needs a new starter as well. But yeah.
Yeah.
Literally got the 2-to-1. What brand is this? Skunk 2 Alpha header with the NVIDIA exhaust in the back, I think. Don't look at those. And it's got Honda. The filter's supposed to go right there. Vector is supposed to go right there. And that's the Civic modifications, I think. I think we got a valve cover gasket leak or like something. I don't know. I think we do. But literally, that's the car, literally. So yeah. Okay, guys. So literally, we got the flyover service, literally. Look how much better that looks, you know? And we did the remain seal right there. We did what's the thing, the bushing? The pilot bushing. And now we're doing the oil pan. We're trying to get the oil pan off. So those RTV'd on, and we got oil pan gasket, the intake manifold gasket, the throttle body gasket. Those are the axle seals. What are they called? Yeah, for the output shaft. And that is the master cylinder for the clutch. It's the stock one, not the EM1 one. That's not mine. And yeah, literally, I think that's it. Literally, that's the new parts. Did I show the competition clutch? I am not sure. So let's go over there and look. There is the pressure plate, and there's the clutch. So yeah, and this is the car. We have to clean it up a little before I show you it properly. Is there any progress?
No.
Awesome. Awesome, literally. All right, start it. Can't believe it's done. Literally my dream Civic, man. This is my dream Civic.
How's that?
A tick under the middle.
Oh, it's Chris's first time driving it again?
I guess. Yeah, like this, yeah. Yeah, I think it's slow as fuck.